Moments of truth here.
Oh! Yep.
Oh! What's good, baby? We got a pretty serious scene on our hands. Got Garrett, got Justin, we got Christian on the Rubik's Cube, and hopefully we can solve all of these today. But we're taking out this engine and gonna take some peeks inside of it. I don't know, we're gonna do some, valve clearance and cam chain, gasket replacements, but the gaskets won't be here for a while, so I might have to order a compression test kit, check the cylinders, see what's going on, and yeah. So you're just gonna hit these bolts, right? Do we wanna put the crank under it first? I don't know where we wanna put that, how we wanna put that. Do we have like a board or something? Yeah, moments of truth here. Oh, we still have to remove this kickstand lever, or not kickstand lever, shift lever, because it ain't coming out. Goes on. Whatever. Let's try to remove this. Dude, they made this a pain in the ass. Can I get your hex set over here? I'm gonna just remove this whole rear set. Thank you. Oh my god. This son of a bitch is on there, man. Did I? Oh yeah. Holy crap, man. They put some serious stuff in this. Alright. That's not going anywhere. Alright. Ready for the drop and swap and pop. You ready to hit it from all angles? Should we do the so this is supported? Alright. How heavy is it? 200 pounds? I'll make sure to put on my shoes. Alright, do we want to do the Allen bolts first and then you knock it away, or Allen bolts last? Probably Allen bolts first, because no, you're doing good. Keep going with that. There you go. What size is that? That's an 8, I think. Alright. Here, you get the other side. I'll... Totally with that. It's serious air compression cold time. What is it called again? It's not an impact gun, is it? Air ratchet. Oh, what? Oh my god. Wow, that was really easy, huh? No! Is it okay?
Yeah.
Wait, what happened to it?
It's one bar going like, see this?
Yeah. Did you loosen it?
You gotta hold the other side.
What size is that socket? 14. I got a 14. Somewhere. Ah, so close. I got a 14. You know it, on point. I liked you grabbing that other side. No, that side looks almost stripped. Whatever. Yeah, I got it. Oh wait, yeah. Go for it. Yep. I mean, yeah, I dropped the bolt, but I think it's accessible. Punch it through. This is pretty good. I got it solid surface. As far as I can punch it. Maybe now I can use that rod, actually, if you want me to keep going.
I made those.
Oh, that comes right out. Those are forging tools. The Lord of the Rings forging from Mount Mordor, or what's it called? Something like that. Isn't that all of them? Oh, down there. Gotta go down low. Where's it? Here, I'll take that.
It's coming down. All of us are gonna have to do it very carefully.
Under it.
You gotta help hold it. Put the vape down.
Oh, just post up how he is.
Post up somewhere good.
Wherever you think would be good. Like, hurry up. Is it moving? The front was. Didn't look like the back was much. The front's moving? Yeah. Try to hit right here on this. not coming out. Should I stand on it? I don't like that idea. It's moving. It is? Yeah. Alright, Garrett, grab a hold of something. Still going? Yeah. Yeah, something's... Still?
How are we gonna get this fucker back in?
That's a good question.
I'm gonna need like an engine lift kit or something. Should I hit it on the? It's like nicking this.
Oh!
That worked.
There it
We're
is.
still plugged or something. Hold on. This. Yeah. Hey, you wanna give me the helmet? Let me get this I wanna get this upper seat. Oh yeah, you're holding it, huh? Alright. Ready? Yeah.
Transfer cam.
Transfer cam. Alright. Oh my god. It's really happening. Are you guys actually like supporting it, or is it just kind of sitting in there?
It's kind of sitting, is it? Well, I don't know. I don't know if you're just like... It's just hitting. I was like, damn, Justin's got some cannons on him. Low key.
Low key cannons? Maybe it's not that heavy. I kind of...
It is definitely.
Alright, does that look like everything? What's this? Nope. This wire's literally holding it on. What is that, an 8 or a 10? 10?
I think so.
Oh, that's fucking an 8. It's a little chode. I should have just brought them both. God damn it. You guys got to push it up. There you go. This bolt's not coming. No, you got to lift it up. There's a lot of pressure on that bolt. Alright, I need another hook. I need you guys to push it up. Be bent down, maybe? Wow, that one's thick. What the hell is this? I need like a Dremel to cut through it. Alright. That should be it, folks. Oh, the clutch. God damn it. There's a million pieces on this. Alright. Fuck it, we don't need it right now. Right here. Oh, this one, huh? That's a different one. Anyway. Alright, what do we need to do? It's sitting on your leg. Alright, are you able to scoot over a little bit? Well, here, grab the front. Wiggle it, keep wiggling. Feels like it's still on an axis on the back, huh? We already got it out.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Alright, let's wiggle it up and down, I guess. We're not moving. Alright. Is it actually coming? Is it moving back here or no? It kind of looks like it is. I think the wedging... Oh yeah, if we keep wedging it back and forth, it's gonna go. Alright, up downs.
Up downs. Weight training, 100 up downs. What did your PE teacher tell you?
Alright, we're pretty close. We're really close. Up downs. Up downs.
Almost there? Yep.
Oh.
That's
it down.
There it is.
Ow.
Alright. Can we grab your hands, please?
Christian, Garrett. Yes, sir. Hands on deck. Coming, master.
I can't try it. It's too evil.
What? Hold on. Alright, let's try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, it's not bad. We're good. What was that? Oh, shit, the bracket. Gotta remove the bracket real quick and then we can.
10.
Yeah. Should be on the Makita. No?
It's on there.
Really?
Yeah.
It came?
No.
Alright, screw it. We don't need it. We can leave it on. How do we want it to sit on here? Like that? Just took a nice little pisser. So, let's just start removing shit. I want to dig in, man. Can we check the cam? This is the cam chain, right? Really? So we just pop these off?